Keep a routine. Like if you like to wake up at a certain time, wake up at that time. Go grab some breakfast. Go meet with the people you're playing with. Go find a thing to do. Do something that's going to help you feel ready to go play the gig. You know, it's not always, oh, I got to shed in my room for 6 hours before the gig. It's like, dude, you're okay, but you're in Chicago for the first time. Like, go check out Chicago a little too. Like, go, you know, the first time I went to LA, I made sure to go check out. I'm very obsessed with coffee, but I made sure to go check out some coffee shops that they don't have in New York. You know, these little things, a thing to put on your own calendar so that, you know, when call time, you know, hits, you felt like you did something productive, but maybe did something fun for you because, you know, traveling is different.